Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best smartwatches under $100, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. EEC Smartwatch for Women SWX32. Step into a new realm of wellness and connection with the EEC Smartwatch for Women SWX32. This elegant device transforms the mundane into the extraordinary, empowering you to take control of your life. Imagine effortlessly staying in touch with loved ones while monitoring your health with grace and style. Each interaction feels special, amplifying your joy as you navigate throughout the day. Envision the confidence that comes with tracking your fitness goals, whether it is through a casual jog or an intense workout. Designed to complement your lifestyle, this smartwatch embraces your uniqueness while providing essential insights into your well-being. As you embrace every heartbeat and restful moment, the EEC Smartwatch for Women SWX32 becomes more than just a gadget. It is a reflection of your pursuit of balance, beauty, and adventure. Elevate your daily life and experience the magic. Number 2. EEC Smartwatch. Transform your routine with the Smartwatch for Women, an enchanting blend of elegance and cutting-edge technology. This smartwatch brings a sense of empowerment, allowing you to answer calls and stay connected effortlessly, no matter where life takes you. Imagine tracking your fitness journey with over 100 sports modes, enabling you to pursue your goals while nurturing your health. With heart rate, sleep, and SpO2 monitoring, it offers invaluable insights into your well-being. The stunning high-definition display captivates your attention, while the waterproof design allows you to embrace every adventure without fear. The 2 interchangeable bands let you express your unique style, making it perfect for any occasion. Discover how this smartwatch can enhance your lifestyle, fostering a balance between technology and wellness. Elevate your everyday experience and seize the day with this remarkable device. Number 3. Legacy Smartwatches for Women Model 2025. Indulge in elegance and functionality with the Legacy Smartwatches for Women Model 2025. This exquisite timepiece seamlessly blends sophistication with cutting-edge technology, making it the perfect accessory for the modern woman. Imagine wearing a watch that empowers you to stay connected while radiating confidence and style. The delicate design adorned with diamonds elevates every outfit, turning heads wherever you go. This smartwatch understands your lifestyle needs, supporting your health and fitness journey while ensuring every moment is cherished. Imagine feeling the joy of tracking your achievements in real time, enabling you to reach new goals with ease. Available in a stunning gold finish, the Legacy Smartwatches for Women Model 2025 is more than just a watch. It is an expression of your vibrant spirit. Make it yours today and let every second shine with purpose. Number 4. Togala Smartwatch for Men/Women. Unlock a world of possibilities with this stylish and versatile smartwatch designed for both men and women. Imagine effortlessly answering and making calls right from your wrist while keeping your phone discreetly tucked away. The vibrant display brings your notifications to life, ensuring you stay connected throughout your day. Embrace your passion for fitness with access to over 113 sports modes, making every workout enjoyable and dynamic. The heart rate and sleep monitoring features offer crucial insights, empowering you to prioritize your well-being. With an impressive waterproof rating, your adventures become limitless, whether you are hiking, swimming, or running in the rain. This smartwatch is more than a gadget. It is an essential companion on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Elevate your daily routine and inspire yourself to take on new challenges with confidence. Number 5. Kukor Fitness Tracker Running Watch. Embrace modern living with the 2025 Smartwatch for Men/Women, a true companion for those who seek both style and performance. Imagine effortlessly answering calls while on the go, remaining connected without missing a moment. This smartwatch invites you to explore your potential, all while tracking your fitness journey. Visualize yourself smashing personal records and achieving new heights, supported by an array of features designed to inspire. Beneath its sleek exterior lies robust technology, empowering you to monitor your heart rate and overall health. The bold design captures attention and expresses individuality, making it a perfect accessory for any occasion. With its impressive waterproof capabilities, adventures await, rain or shine. Discover a lifestyle enriched by this smartwatch, where convenience and wellness intertwine, reminding you that each day is an opportunity for greatness. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.